Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to create a high converting landing page for Google Ads. Now, why is creating a landing page so important? The average landing page conversion rate across all industries is about 30%. When we compare this to a normal website, which is at about 5%, this makes landing pages 6 times better in terms of conversion rates. My second point is that landing pages also have the highest conversion rate of any sign-up form at 23%. The other thing that you can do with landing pages that you cannot really do with web pages is that you can address customer fears and concerns on your landing page. And this can lead into an impressive 80% increase in conversion rates. So that means just being upfront about how you handle data and communication can help boost your form completion rates. So now that I've explained all of these things, I can now show you an example of a really good landing page. So let's type in, for example, domain for sale. So I've typed in domain for sale and I have all of these sponsored websites. Now GoDaddy is the most popular, so let's check out GoDaddy. And this is their landing page. So let's start with the headline. This headline is extremely short and it is with a different font than everything else. It represents exactly what I want and what I should expect from this web page right here. Then the other thing that we have to focus on is the reasons to use GoDaddy. Now in your case, this is going to be reasons to use the service, download an ebook, or buy something. And here, as you can see, we have the call to action. A call to action button is a concise and compelling element in a web page, or in this case a landing page, that prompts the user to take a specific action such as sign up, learn more, or buy now, download, or whatever you want the user to do. It is designed to drive engagement and guide users towards a desired goal. Now the way that this website has made its call to action button is genius. Instead of having the call to action button to sign up, like a huge sign up button, they've included the button, but they've included it right here so that it is not the main button. The main button, the biggest button here, is right here. So let's create this landing page. How you're going to create this landing page is either by typing in Google Sites, or you can do it from your drive by going into New, More, and then go to Google Sites from here. So here's the default landing page that you'll encounter because we didn't really add anything. So what I'm going to be adding here that this landing page doesn't really have is customer reviews. Now they do have customer reviews right here, and this score right here, these reviews don't really represent each and every one of these reviews as an individual review. So what we're going to be adding is reviews from third-party sites. Now let's say you have a web page, you have a shop, so let's say you're selling like synthesizers or something. What you want is a landing page with a call to action button that when you click on it, makes the customer either want to sign up or it takes the customer directly to buy one of your synthesizers or whatever you're selling. So our page title, our headline will be something like, let's say something like quality synthesizers and quality price. Now what we want to do is add like an image here. So let's just type in. So let's add an image. You do it by clicking image, upload, and there you go, the image is right here. Now this picture isn't really a synthesizer, it's actually a piano, but it'll do the job. Now here you enter the site name, so let's type in, for example, alt base. Let's move this text. Now here in the pages, we're just going to be using one page since this is a landing page. Let's make this a bit smaller. So now what we want to do is add a call to action. So let's add a button and let's make it so here they can, for example, sign up or buy now. Let's make it so that the button says buy now. And here you gotta add the link to your website. Let's just add a random link like youtube.com so that we can just see how this looks like. Now as you're making this website, you constantly have to be checking, does this look good from the customer's point of view? So you can always click this preview button right here. From here you can see how the web page looks like. I'm not done, of course, but here I want to show you these 3 options right here. I'm currently on large screen because I'm using a computer, but here you can see what it will look like for a tablet and what it would look like for the phone. Now, this looks pretty nice for a phone and for the tablet, but it still looks kind of empty because I'm not done yet. So now what you can add is customer reviews. So let's just drag this in, and here, for example, you can add a picture of a customer, like a user without a profile picture. So here I can just type in a no profile picture photo, and here all of these will pop out, and you can just save these and drag them to your website right here. Here you can add the name of the reviewer, or you can just type in anonymous, the number of stars or whatever. Make sure that the review is not too perfect. Make sure that there are some punctuations missing, or make sure that it mentions something not necessarily bad, but at least like a small inconvenience, so not everything is perfect, so that the reviews sound more genuine. Now what I like to do as well is add a map under the hero page. Now a lot of people don't even scroll down, but if you do have a physical shop, you should always put a map under your hero page, or maybe even at the hero page. So let's add another text box. Now let's drag the text box right here. Here you can add So here I've added over thousands of positive reviews, 12 different locations, chance for free coupons in the newsletter. So if you have a call to action, for example, signing up to a newsletter, this would increase the chances of people signing up to it. You can also add an image carousel of all the things that you're selling. And there you go. Now that I've covered the basics, you can publish this web page. This is just an example, so I'm not gonna use any of my registered domains for this, but you get the point. So now when you click publish, you're gonna have a landing page, but you are not done yet. There is still a very, very important factor, is to make sure that the page loads fast. Now, how do you do this? What I really recommend is to use a website that's called Page Speed Insights. So here, all you need to do is copy and paste the URL of the page that you've created. And then here, it'll show you how fast your web page is. So I'm gonna use just a random web page, for example, youtube.com. And these are the insights for YouTube. And there you go. I appreciate you for watching the video. If you have any other questions about making a landing page, feel free to ask them. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.